tinotopak na dito. Nasa Marcos Island kami. What? And dito daw may cliff diving, and I'm looking for a perfect spot to cliff dive. Oh, it's inside the cave. Now I know. May cave dito. Dito daw ang cliff dive. The Bat Cave. We're going to dive. Bye.